Hi everyone, I'm back with a new video. In this following video, I'm going to show you the ways to fix your Instagram direct messages not showing up. So if your Instagram DM not working up, then what you need to do is, in order to fix it, you may encounter several issues or glitches that could be causing this problem. Here are some possible reasons and troubleshooting steps. First of all, check your internet connection to ensure it's stable or not. Now, poor connectivity can lead to issues with loading or displaying Instagram DMs. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem persists on. The issue persists on, then you can also ensure that the app is up to date. So for that case, go to your Play Store. On the search box, type in Instagram, and if the application needs to be updated, then press on the update button and wait for the application to be updated. However, if the application is completely updated, then you can also restart the app. So you have to completely close the Instagram app. For that case, you can force stop as well. So press on the app info icon and go to the app info page, or click on force stop, and that should be able to fix your issue all at once. However, if this is not working out while you're on this, you can go to storage and cache. Here, make sure to tap on clear cache as well as clear storage. When you do that, it's gonna log you out of your device, so you have to re-log in, and that should be able to fix your issue all at once. If nothing seems to be working out, you can try rebooting the device, and that should be able to fix the issue. The issue persists on after trying all of these steps that I mentioned, then you can reach out to the Instagram support team. They may be able to provide troubleshooting steps or investigate the issue further on. So by following this step, you should be able to fix your direct messages not showing up on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.